Hi everyone, this is Murmunalum. Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I discussed about winter skincare, but in my today's video, I will discuss about some winter self-care. Yeah, you may thought that these two are the same thing, that winter skincare or winter self-care, but these two are not the same thing. Winter skincare is all about you are doing your skin, you are taking care of your skins, but winter self-care means you are taking care of yourself. Not only your skin, but your health, your mental health, your physical health, and everything all about you. This video is all about you. This video is all about myself. In my today's video, I will make sure that I'm taking care of myself in a very good way. I'm eating nutritious foods, I'm drinking water enough, and I'm taking care of my skin also. So let's not talk a lot about this. Let's just jump into the video. So yeah, let's start the video. First thing first, for maintaining hygiene, you need to sanitize your hand. When you are in your home, you can wash your hand, but when you are outside, just make sure that you are sanitizing your hand every 30 minutes. As my face has a little bit of makeup, I mean just skin tint and blush, and I'm wearing also a lip gloss, I will remove it now for making myself fresh, and then I will start other part of the video. I have organized everything in my drawer. This is the bag. I make it organized in this bag. For using face wash, I need to wet my face with water, and for that I'm using this water spray bottle. I'll now wash my face with water. I have washed my face with pure water, with normal temperature water. You can use lukewarm water. I'm done with washing my face. It's looking so fresh now, and now it's feeling so patchy and dry. I need some moisturizer, and I have 3 moisturizers. I'm just showing you guys. Okay, so these 3 moisturizers I have to use daily. These 3 are really great moisturizer. One is Camille skin cream, which is like for normal skin, and I have dry to normal skin, so I can use this one. This one is sticky and very thick in formula. This one is Nivea. This is my favorite. I mean, this one is a moisturizer with aloe vera, and it's not very thick and it's very thin in portion, and it makes my face so glowy and so moisturizing at the same time. And the last one is, we use it maximum, the maximum people use it. It's Dove moisturizing cream. In winter, everyone use this in my family. So yeah, it's also a great one. So I now will use this one. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Now it's sunscreen time. I mean, in winter we barely can see a sun, but it's sun outside or not, but sunscreen is a must. And for sunscreen, I always use this one. You have seen this one many more times in my others video also. I mean, this sunscreen takes some time to blend it out, but when it's blends, it just goes with my face so naturally. Just look at this. Now, I mean, it blends out with my face so good way. Now it's lip balm time, and for lip balm I have so many options. I have this stick. It's lipstick, and this side is lip balm. And then I have this baby lip balm, and I have this lip oil, and I'm thinking that I will use the stick one. You know, this side is the lip gloss. I mean, this looks so nice. So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I guess I can't see the end, but I'll see it's not working. Okay, let's just use this one. I use this as a skin tint also because you know you were using a lip gloss and you were not using it as a blush. It's a sin. Chasing stars and holding you. Well, for maintaining your hygiene and to look attractive every day, you need to comb your hair daily for 2 times. Also, oil your hair twice a week and keep it for overnight and then wash it with your favorite shampoo. Detangling your hair will cause you approximately 50 counts of hair loss, but don't worry guys, it's very normal. For leading a balanced and healthy life, you have to drink water a lot. And try to make a habit of drinking water every morning in empty stomach. We all know egg has large amount of protein, so eating a boiled egg every morning will boost up your energy. In the time of mid-afternoon, you will feel some kind of hungriness and you will tend to have some fast food or snacks, but don't do it. Rather, you eat some fruits. Take different types of nuts in afternoon and eat it because nuts has some good kind of calorie. It's a great food for human body and human brain, especially the walnut. Walnut helps to lower the overall cholesterol level. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. To protect your hair from damage, try to make braid your hair before going to sleep. And go to bed as early as possible because late night is not good for health. That's all for today. Good night.